Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Arts Magical Spoon. Hope you have tried the paneer pepper fry and I'm sure you like it. And today I'm here with a new dish, okay, which is a very simple dish actually, ghee rice. Okay, but the speciality of this one, normally for ghee rice, onion is the main part. But here I am going to prepare the dish without onion. Let us see how it comes. One of the main thing is that for this dish, you don't need any major side dish. You can have it with either with papad, lime pickle, or even a chutney. And another thing is, you can prepare it within 15 to 20 minutes. If some guest comes at home, you can prepare it immediately and serve it. So we are going to make ghee rice today, simple ghee rice. Let me introduce the ingredients first. I have taken 2 cups of rice, soaked in water for around 5 minutes and remove the water and kept it ready. Then I got here a handful of cabbage. This cabbage I am using instead of onion because one of the main ingredients for this dish is onion. But without onion also we can make this dish very tasty. Then I got here some cardamom, some clove, then some cinnamon stick, then ghee, salt, and there is hing powder also. So let us start. I'm going to on the fire here. I have taken here 6 tablespoons of ghee, which I'm going to put on this one. Okay, yes, okay, yeah, okay, let it melt. Yeah. In the meantime, what I will do, I have taken here 4 cups of water, which I will boil now. Okay. Yeah, the ghee is ready. I'm going to add the cabbage here. Yeah, in the cabbage. I will just put a little bit of hing powder on that one. Good. Let us saute. Great. Around 5 minutes to get it ready. Golden brown color. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. The water is ready. Here I'll just reduce the fire now. Or I can close the fire better. Yeah. We are halfway now. Normally people think that without onion this dish is impossible. But you know, we can make it very tasty with cabbage. Okay. I'm going to add some 4 pieces of cinnamon stick, some say 5 to 6 pieces of cardamom, and some around 5 pieces of clove. Okay. Now these 2 cups of rice we can easily serve for 5 people. Okay. Our cabbage is almost ready now. Okay. Nice. Yes. Getting ready now. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to add the rice to it. Yes. See. Yes. Just fry the rice a little bit. To fry the rice. The reason for frying this rice is that the rice will not get break and it will not stick together. Okay, so it is now frying. Maybe another 2 minutes we will fry this one. Okay, good. Nice smell is coming now. Rice already fried. I have reduced the fire. What I'm going to do here now, I'm going to add the water, which is 4 cups of water. I'm going to add the water here. Great. And I will add the salt. Salt as per requirement only. Here. Okay. That will be enough. Okay. Just mix it well and close it. Okay. To cook the rice, you close it and okay. You have to see when the water will absorb now, then we can see it will be ready. Yeah, depend upon rice, the cooking time varies. Okay, so let us see how long it will take. Okay. Let us see what's condition now. Oh yeah, water almost absorbed. You have to sort time to time. Okay, till some water is there. Almost cooked. We close the container again. What a nice smell is coming. Very nice smell is coming. We close for some time more. Let us see how is it now. Yeah, very nice, very nice. Here, the rice has absorbed all the ingredients we add, no? The clove, the cardamom, the cinnamon, the nice aroma is there now. What a, yeah, good, good. And of course, the cabbage, which we fried instead of onion, that also absorbed. Nice, almost ready. Maybe another 2 minutes only required here. Ghee rice will be ready. Yes. 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 Now another 2 minutes will wait. No need to close again. Just wait for 2 minutes. Then we will put out the fire. Shift to the serving bowl. Yeah, our ghee rice is ready now. I'll put out the fire now and we'll transfer to the serving bowl. Yes, I'm going to transfer it to the serving bowl. Very nice smell is coming. Yeah, our dish is ready to serve. Okay, thank you very much. Hi everybody, I'm back here with my little princess. Now she's the one going to taste the dish now. Here I made some pudina and coriander chutney as a side dish. Now she will be tasting the dish.
Let me check how is the dish. So let me check how is it. And let me check when it's yummy. I'm going to eat it full. It is so yummy. I ate it full. Please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.